Step 1. Light up the screen on the smart lock. Press 9 hashtag button, enter admin password. To enter menu in admin mode. Step 2. Press number 1 to enter admin setting and press 4 enter phone setting. Press 1 enter add network. Step 3. Go to your phone to operate. Connect to Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth and location functions on your phone. Step 4. Click Add button and select Add device. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Click the device and enter the Wi-Fi password. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Click Done. The lock you just added will appear in the device list. Click on the device to enter the door lock management interface. Pressing the doorbell button on the door lock will send a remote door opening request to the mobile app management interface. Choose to agree or reject door opening requests by dragging the slider.